to discover how this sense of self arises. Neuroscientists are exploring the brain activity that underlies our constant sense of being ourselves. Now, most studies suggest that there's an important role played by our right hemisphere. If you somehow put the right hemisphere to sleep by, for example, giving anesthesia to the right carotid artery, and you do that, then you're going to have trouble recognizing your own face. There was a study, and there was a patient, and he had right hemisphere damage, and he failed to recognize his own left hand. And he failed to recognize that he was controlling his own left hand. The medial prefrontal cortex, which is a neuron path located in the cleft between your brain hemispheres, just behind your eyes, seemingly helps stitch together your sense of self. Now, it becomes more active when you think about yourself. The elements of your self-concept, the specific beliefs by which you define yourself, they are called your self-schemas. So schemas are mental templates by which we organize our worlds. Our self-schemas are perceiving ourselves as athletic or overweight or smart or anything else powerfully affect how we perceive ourselves, remember, and evaluate information. Yes, my friends, it's very important. And not just that, that also impacts how we evaluate other people. So, yeah, schemas, an important concept to remember in psychology. All right? So, let's say if you think that you're very athletic, then you will tend to notice other people's bodies and their athletic skills. You will tend to remember information better when it's related to sports activities, right? And you will welcome information that is consistent with your self-schema, okay? Talking about self-concept, if your friend's birthday is close to yours, you'll be more likely to remember it, right? So the self-schema that makes up our self-concept helps us organize and retrieve our experiences.